Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Pasquini Livia 90 espresso machine. I'm just going to show you some common parts. Here's the control board here. Here's the safety valve here. Here's the vacuum release valve. These are the water level sensors. This is the solenoid valve. This is the pressure sensor. There's the group head. Steam valve. Hot water valve. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Up a little bit there. But you can see we're getting a beautiful shot of espresso with, look at how beautiful that print is. So, customer didn't bring in the drip tray, so we have a little bit of a mess, but thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like the videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.